Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be trying 5 different TikTok hacks, and actually the last one is kind of more of a recipe. So if you like this video, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. I am going to be trying a toaster quesadilla, so I'm going to be using this chickpea tortilla, and they're so good. Totally recommend them. And then, guys, is it just me, or has Daiya cheese gotten better? Like, have they changed their recipe? Because I used to not like their cheese, but now I do, and I think it tastes really good. I don't know. Comment down below if you've noticed this, or it's just me. Okay, so now I'm going to put this in the toaster. And, like, hopefully the folding doesn't come undone. And then the cheese falls out and then it starts to burn and everything like that. That would be really bad. Okay, so I left it in too long and it burned, but that's okay. We're still gonna try it here. It's pretty cute, like it's like a perfect square. Well, not perfect, but like, yeah. Okay, taste test.
Oh wow.
It actually melted the cheese like all the way, and it tastes pretty good. I would definitely try this again next time. I'll try not to burn it. The second hack I'm going to be trying is for if you have too many bananas and they're going bad. So this is a 4-ingredient chocolate chip cookie recipe. So the recipe is 1 banana, 1 cup of oats, 3 scoops of peanut butter, and chocolate chips. I preheated my oven to 350 and cooked it for about 10 minutes. So I waited for them to cool off a little bit, but they're still a little warm. I think they are really good. I thought they would taste like banana like too much, but you can still taste the banana, but not as much as I thought. And yeah, I think they're really good. Are they better than like a normal chocolate chip cookie? No, but these are super simple to make, super fast to make, and they're pretty healthy. The only sugar that's in them are from the chocolate chips. So yeah, I would totally recommend them. So this hack is for if you don't have ingredients for guacamole or you just don't feel like preparing all of the ingredients. So I'm pretty sure that video didn't say any proportions. If it did, I didn't use proportions. It's literally just salt, avocado, and then the video said if you wanted to, you could put in cumin and salt. So I did all 4 of those ingredients. Before it is taste test time, this guacamole just looks really gross, so definitely don't make this guacamole if you want to have an aesthetic picture for Instagram or something. But we are going to see how it tastes. I'm gonna taste it by itself to just taste its like true self, you know? I'd much rather just go to the store and get the ingredients for guacamole and put in the work to make my own guacamole than to make this. But it's not horrible, but I just much rather have real guacamole. Now I'm going to taste it with a chip. It's definitely going to taste better with a chip. I'm going to try it with these black bean garlic wheat tortilla chips. Yeah, definitely 10 times better with chips. I'd rather just make my own guacamole, which I actually have a recipe video for. It will be linked down below, and then it will also pop up like right here, I think. Maybe right? Yeah, I think it's right here. Yeah. So for this one, I'm going to make a homemade vanilla frappuccino. So I just put ice in a blender along with some oat milk and vanilla extract, and I'm also using monk fruit sweetener just to make it a little healthier. Okay, so I made a vanilla frappuccino, and it's supposed to taste like exactly like Starbucks. I've actually only gotten the vanilla frappuccino from Starbucks once, and I got it with coconut milk, And so for this I use vanilla oat milk because I didn't have coconut milk, and ice cubes, and instead of just normal sugar I use monk fruit sweetener just to make it more healthy. So I just tasted it and it doesn't taste bad, but it doesn't taste like the Starbucks vanilla frappuccino. I think if I would have used coconut milk, it maybe would have tasted more like it. And I didn't use actual sugar either, so yeah, but it's so good. Okay, so I just added cinnamon to it and it tastes really good. I have my metal straw right here. So this one is more of a recipe and not a hack, but you just spread some nut butter on a tortilla, and on TikTok it was usually peanut butter, but I actually used almond butter, and then you put on some bananas and you kind of cut it like a quesadilla shape, so it's like a breakfast quesadilla. Okay, here they are. They look pretty good. I'm gonna put some cinnamon on here. I think it's really good. I would definitely try it with peanut butter because that's like technically how you're supposed to do it, but I feel like using almond butter. And I also make something like this. If you want to go watch my breakfast idea video, it's like this, except it's a wrap and it has a few more ingredients in it, and it's really good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like this video if you liked it and subscribe, and I will see you in another video. Bye.